The Winery Energy Saver Toolkit is a one-stop resource for wineries of all sizes. The toolkit examines 6 major areas of energy consumption and provides clear guidance to help reduce energy costs. The toolkit focuses on equipment optimisation and upgrades in wine processing and assists wineries with identifying the big-ticket energy efficiency opportunities. The toolkit also guides wineries to collect the critical information so that they can be more informed in their dealings with suppliers. The 6 areas of energy use covered in the toolkit are refrigeration and tank storage, including chilling, fermentation, cold stabilisation and wine storage, typically between 50 to 70% of energy consumption in wineries. Pumping for transfers and pumpovers, as well as for cleaning and wastewater treatment, making up 10 to 20% of energy consumption. Compressed air used in tank presses and for cleaning contribute 5 to 10% of energy consumption. Hot water and steam, used primarily for cleaning and sterilisation, make up 5 to 10% of electricity costs and/or 70 to 80% of gas consumption. Heating, ventilation and air conditioning, HVAC, used in barrel stores, warehouses and offices make up 5 to 15% of energy consumption. Finally, lighting contributes 5 to 10% of all energy consumption. The toolkit begins by explaining how each of these 6 areas impact on energy efficiency, and then provides examples that wineries can implement to better use and manage equipment and reduce energy costs through a process known as optimisation. For example, in refrigeration and tank storage, an increase of 1 degree in temperature setting for wine storage tanks will reduce energy consumption by 2 to 4%. This can simultaneously provide more refrigeration capacity, lower maintenance costs due to reduced loads, and increased life of equipment due to less wear and tear. The second step in the toolkit is to explore upgrading equipment. These opportunities do come at a higher cost than optimisation, but often provide greater savings. For example, upgrading by insulating pipes and storage tanks can provide significant savings in refrigeration costs of up to 10% and a very fast payback of 1 year or better. There is a range of upgrade options in all 6 areas of the toolkit. Their viability will depend on your scale of operation and specific site circumstances. What may work well at one site may not always be suitable in others. The third step in the toolkit is to collect data about your equipment in order to have an informed discussion with your suppliers and maintenance providers about what energy efficiency gains are realistically possible. You can then determine the best solution for your needs from those offered by suppliers. Given that energy costs can be as high as 15% of total operational costs of a typical wine business, energy efficiency improvements are critical to future competitiveness of every winery. In assessing the business case for any energy efficiency project, there are 2 key parts. The strategic case looks at the long-term reasons behind investing in energy efficiency. The financial case then tests the financial argument. When investigated and implemented correctly, energy efficiency can have multiple benefits, including cost savings associated with energy consumption, reduced costs associated with water, materials and waste consumption, reducing maintenance costs and downtime, improving productivity, and enhancing brand and company profile. In many cases, the additional benefits are often bigger than the cost savings achieved from reduced energy consumption. The more benefits that can be counted, the better the business case for the upgrade. The Winery Energy Saver Toolkit provides wineries with a clear, guided path to become more energy efficient, cost-effective and environmentally responsible, and provides an extensive list of energy efficiency opportunities. To obtain the toolkit, visit the online portal at winesa.asn.au.